Hello, I am your guide here at Atlas Blue. What you are about to see today is not a figment of the imagination. They are the hidden gears of evolution, revealing creatures that science can barely explain. Welcome to the extraordinary.
Deep within the ancient canals of Xochimilco, Mexico, lives a creature that defies the most fundamental laws of biology. The axolotl is no ordinary salamander. It is a natural phenomenon known worldwide as the water monster. Unlike other amphibians, it possesses a rare trait called neoteny, meaning it never undergoes a full metamorphosis. In essence, it retains its iconic pink external gills and larval form throughout its entire adult life, as if frozen in time. But what truly baffles the scientific community isn't its exotic look, but its superpower of extreme cellular regeneration. The axolotl can rebuild entire limbs, its spinal cord, and even parts of its heart without leaving a single scar. Recent studies show it can even regenerate parts of its own brain, maintaining all original functions after recovery. This apparent eternal youth makes it one of the most studied organisms on Earth by scientists seeking cures for severe human injuries. Unfortunately, this master of biological survival is now critically endangered in its natural habitat. Unlocking the axolotl's genetic secrets could literally be the key to the future of modern medicine and regenerative biotechnology. But while this amphibian dwells in the calm waters of Mexico, our next animal masters a much more brutal art, inhabiting the abyssal darkness where survival is a matter of shock and awe.
Meet the goblin shark, a living fossil that looks like it swam straight out of a nightmare.
With its elongated snout and translucent pink skin, it boasts a unique feature in the animal kingdom, a protrusible jaw. It lunges out from its face in a fraction of a second, turning the shark into a deadly projectile to snatch its prey. It is a rare and terrifying sight from the depths where sunlight never reaches. While the deep ocean relies on surprise attacks in the jungles of Central America, survival is all about pure theater. Imagine being a slow, small creature completely defenseless against hungry birds and lizards. This is the dilemma of the snake caterpillar, scientifically known as Hemeroplanes triptolamus. To avoid becoming lunch, it doesn't try to run. Instead, it chooses to become its predator's worst nightmare. The trick is an evolutionary masterpiece called mimicry. When threatened, this caterpillar retracts its true legs and inflates its front segments. What happens next is worthy of Hollywood special effects. Its skin texture expands into perfect scales, and two dark spots transform into the piercing eyes of a viper. It even goes as far as swaying its body gently, perfectly mimicking a snake ready to strike. It's fascinating how nature uses fear to protect the most vulnerable. But while this caterpillar uses disguise to be left alone, our next animal takes the opposite approach. Small and vibrantly colored, it doesn't hide because its skin carries a toxin so lethal that a single drop could take down 10 grown men. This is the poison dart frog, specifically the golden poison frog, the undisputed king of terrestrial toxicity. Unlike animals that blend in, it displays a vibrant yellow that serves as a deadly warning. This phenomenon is known as aposematism. The brighter the color, the greater the hidden danger. The toxin, called batrachotoxin, blocks nerve impulses, leading to paralysis and heart failure within minutes. Interestingly, the frog doesn't produce this poison itself. It accumulates it through its diet. By eating specific ants and beetles, it synthesizes these chemicals, becoming a walking biological weapon. Indigenous tribes have used its secretions to coat their blowgun darts for centuries, and the poison remains potent for up to a year.
Nature never ceases to amaze us, and what we have seen today is just the tip of the iceberg. If you, like me, are fascinated by the mysteries our world conceals, do not let this journey end here. Subscribe to Atlas Blue Brazil and turn on notifications. Thank you for exploring with us, and until next time.